Mauri ora whānau, Kiimai Māori, Aoitepö, nau mai, hara mai, hoki mai. Welcome back to our Arapiki Tätai Māori language teaching resource. Whakarongo, titiro, kōrero. Mauri ora whānau, te Umuariki, nau mai, hara mai, hoki mai. Welcome back to our model here. Isn't she lovely? Te Arapiki Tātai. Te Arapiki Tātai. Ka pai, me tōna kōrero, e kōrero i tēnei pō tōna kōrero, te Arapiki Tātai. Cool, that's relevant to numbers. Tātai. Tātai. Cool, whānau. So basically, counting from 1 to 10. How hard can that be? It's pretty straightforward, but the focus is taking your time and getting the sounds right. Ka pai, because later on we're going to add some other bits to our kupu, to our numbers. So let's just get those sounds right first, okay? Te Arapiki Tātai. Ara, titiro, whakarongo, tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, tekau, tekau, ngāhuru, rite tonu. Ka pai whānau. Let's go again. I might put some digits up, some numbers for you to see at the same time. So let's count again using Te Arapiki Tātai and the numbers. So visualize the number and the spacing, the placing here. Tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, tekau, tekau, ngāhuru, rite tonu. Ka pai whānau, pretty straightforward, but get those sounds right. We can do lots of things with these numbers later on. What I might do now is I might put up the written word for the numbers, tahirua. Ka pai. So now we'll bring it all into play. We'll use this, the visual, and also the written word. And the number will be there as well. Here we go, whānau. Whakarongo, titiro, kōrero mai. Join me as we go. Tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, tekau, tekau, ngāhuru, rite tonu. Ka pai whānau, I think that's enough for this little video. Just the basic numbers, counting from 1 to 10. Get that sorted, and I'll put another one up soon, adding to those numbers. We'll be adding prefixes, we'll be talking placings, and quantity, and volume, and applying it to people. So just start with the numbers 1 to 10. All the best with that whānau, mauri ora.